It's about politics. It's changing now to politics of convenience, especially in the valley. With Jammu and Kashmir's regional parties now warming up to the BJP top brass is playing a wait-and-watch policy. While the Congress is approaching the PDP, Umar Abdullah's national conference is completely divided over the tie-up with the BJP.
The race to form the government in Jammu and Kashmir heating up as parties go into a huddle, discussing various permutations and combinations. Congress revealing its cards, officially approaching the PDP.
Yes, we have officially extended our support to PDP through a written communication, and now we are waiting for a positive response. People of Kashmir have voted against BJP, and now if PDP and National Conference will join hands with them, as you know, BJP is known as a very communal force. So if they both, PDP and National Conference, will join hands with them, that would be a political suicide for both of them.
Sources say back-channel talks are on between the National Conference and the BJP, but some in the National Conference are openly opposing such moves.
If ever there is a possible alliance between National Conference and BJP, there are fundamental differences that we cannot avoid. We cannot forget that the ideology that National Conference belongs to, the principles that National Conference has for the last 80 years is totally different to the ideologies of BJP policies.
Ending the suspense on social media, Umar Abdullah clarifying his party's stand. Meanwhile, sources say the BJP is open to an alliance only if it gets the Chief Minister's post.
राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी को ऑथराइज करें कि जो भी उपयुक्त निर्णय उनको पार्टी के हित में लगेगा, पूरी पार्टी उस निर्णय के पीछे खड़ी रहेगी, नेतृत्व का भी निर्णय वही करेगा.
But the BJP has reached out to Sajad Lone, who has 2 MLAs. Yet, the post-poll scenario in Jammu and Kashmir is still complicated in view of the fractured verdict. Bureau Report, Times Now.